video is going to be a surprise what we're doing. Can you guys guess what we're doing? It has something to do with your hands. Can you show me your hands? What do you think we're doing with your hands?
Magic.
Oh, that's a possibility. Noe, what do you think we're doing with your hands?
I think.
You have to get back in the video.
I think we're doing glitter.
You think we're doing glitter? Okay, close your eyes. Don't open them yet. No peeking. Okay, on the count of 3, open them. 1, 2, 3. Open. We're gonna do LOL surprise nails, where you get to create your own nails. Oh my goodness. What type of glitter do you have?
Blue.
And your hearts? What type of hearts?
White.
And can you show everyone your nail bottle? No, you have to show it to the camera. What about you, Olivia?
This is my pink glitter, and I have purple hearts.
Show everyone your glitter.
Oh.
And what type of bottle do you have? And who's on your bottle?
Huh?
Who's on your bottle, Olivia?
Diva.
And who's on your bottle, Noe?
I don't know her name.
You don't know her name? You just know she's a mermaid, and you like mermaids, don't you?
But Daddy, the other mermaid is supposed to have blue hair.
They're supposed to have blue hair?
Yeah.
Okay, so next we have the polished base. And what we're going to do with this polished base...
We're going to pour it in here to pour in there.
Yeah, and what we're going to do with this polished base is we're going to fill these little bowls up about 1/4 of the way.
But Daddy, how are we going to use this one?
We can use that one if we need. So we're going to fill the little bowl up about 1/4 of the way. You can absolutely help me do it. Okay, you ready? You gonna help me pour?
That looks like a worm.
Mm-hmm.
It looks like a slimy worm.
And you might have to press the bottle together a little bit to get it out.
Okay, that's enough, that's enough, that's enough. Olivia.
Okay, Olivia, are you ready for your bowl now?
Stop.
Okay, let's pour.
I think we used too much mine.
It's okay, we should have enough. It's a lot in the bottle.
Wait, are we going to use it to pour in here?
Mm-hmm. Okay, so now what we're going to do, ladies, now that we poured it, what glitter do you want to put in first?
This glitter!
Okay, so what you do is we have a scooping stick that we use to put the confetti in. So what we're going to do is we're going to open one of the packs.
But Daddy, how can we do it if it's going to make a mess?
Because we have a scooping stick to avoid that. So this is what I want you to do, Noe. Uh-oh.
I want glitter.
So Noe, you're gonna take this scooping stick. Noe, you're gonna take this scooping stick. You're gonna scoop some, and then you're gonna put it in there. I'll hold the bag for you.
Okay.
And you can put as much as you want.
I'm gonna put all of it. I know how much I'm gonna do. How much? I can't tell you. 800 billion. Nope. 300. I'm gonna put 800 billion 500.
Okay, let's leave some room for your heart confettis.
Oh! Well, that's a bummer. Hey!
Olivia, you want to put yours in there now? I'm gonna do yours next.
This looks like these as well. It's the color of it. Pink. Pink. You shouldn't use white. That's the hair of Eva Bow white. But this is the color.
Okay, Noe. You can just pour this in.
Hooray! But then I want to use the silver one too.
We can use the silver one next, okay?
Ew. Hi. Pour it in myself.
Can you show everyone yours, Noe?
Why?
So they can see.
You grandma.
Not that close, though.
Daddy, what is silly head?
And what do you have in yours already? You have the nail base.
In the blue glitter.
And you have the blue glitter, and what's on top? You have the blue hearts?
No, the white heart.
The white hearts? And Olivia, what do you have in yours?
Oh my god. I need to help you. This is going to be a quite messy.
Do any of you guys want silver?
I want it. I want it. I want it. I want it. Me. I want it. I want it. I want some. No, my hands are purple.
Okay. Okay, now where's the scooper?
Scoop? What scoop?
Scooper is over there.
What? It's pink now.
Okay, so you can take some of the silver. And we're not going to put all the silver in there, just a little bit. And do you want some too, Olivia?
I'll put some on top.
Let's see if Olivia can scoop it. Can you scoop it, Olivia?
I think that's enough.
Okay, so now, once we get done with that, we have to mix it. We have to mix it until it's mixed enough to where we can pour it. Here, you can mix it. You have to mix it.
That's extra good. It looks like the slime we made.
With your hands, just mix it with the mixer.
What kind of? But Daddy, you will get on the spill.
It's okay.
You already said that. Dad, I can't see the gray glitter. I can't see the gray glitter.
So once we get done with that, you have to use your funnel to pour it into the bottle. What are we going to do, guys?
So we're going to paint our nails, but not for ourselves. The daddies are going to do it.
Oh, this should be fun.
So I am Ricky, and I'm Olivia's father, and I will be painting her nails with, who is this?
Diva.
And I'm Joshua, Noel's dad, and I'm going to be painting your nails with, we don't know her name, but we call her Mermaid, right?
Because her name's Glitter Star.
Oh, her name is Glitter Star, so you do know her name. What?
Here we go.
Not Glitter Star.
We're going to get your thumb.
I'm not actually Glitter Star. I'm actually Glitter Bar. I'm Glitter Diamond Sparkle. Did they tell me? What? I'll take that back. I'll take that back. Well, I'll take that back too. And I'll take that back too. I don't see any stars in that one.
Okay, I will make sure that you get.
Can you just put a loop on there? Where's the white spots?
Ooh, deep in there.
I can't see deep.
Okay, give me your other hand.
I'm getting purple on my. So how am I gonna get one on my finger? There's a white right there. Ah, I got one. I got one again.
I can't give it to you without knowing it's too slimy.
I got another one. Olivia doesn't
Okay, now Olivia, you might not have so many on the other hand, because they're kind of hard to pull out individually. So you have glitter, but you might not have all purple.
You got one.
You have one. You just have one.
But if you have one or two, it's still cool, because what? You still get to have fun with your daddy. Isn't that right?
No.
Oh, okay. Well, Olivia, you're going to just get glitter for the next ones, okay?
Yeah, it's another heart. Okay. I got another heart, another heart, another heart. I do like glitter. But you don't got another heart. Please.
No, no TV.
Not TV. Look at you don't got another heart. Maybe you're just cheating. Cheating? I'm not cheating.
Do you want to do the dots?
Yes.
The jewels or the jewels, right?
The jewels.
Yeah, the
jewels. Me too. The white one and the blue one.
Okay, so Olivia, you're going to get 2 jewels. You'll get 1 jewel per hand. So I'm going to see what 2 jewels that you want, okay?
Three.
Like and subscribe to Daddy